Hey guys, welcome to today's design jam. So today's design jam is going to be Tinder for skaters. So connect with skaters in your area. Just really quickly, what is design jam? Design jam is basically going to be myself doing a live daily design jam where I record myself designing for landing pages, app posters, logo, packaging, anything design related. Each design is just for fun. It's nothing too serious, and it's basically just for myself to practice my design skills, and also of course to share it with you guys, and so we can become better designers together. Um, so today, as I said, I'm going to design an app, Tinder for skaters. So I've already previously did a live story where I created this design, but I didn't actually do a screen recording. So I'm going to just do it again, just so I have that screen recording so I can share it with you guys on YouTube. So if anyone's familiar with Tinder, I've been married for 15, or not married for 15 years, but I've been with my partner for 15 years. So I've been married for 3 of those. So I've never actually used Tinder, but I found this sketch file, which I presume is, I don't know if it's the latest version of Tinder, but I'm just going to use this as a framework to build my Tinder for skaters app. So just looking at it, there's 2 card features, and there's a like and obviously I'd say a dislike. So if I swipe to the left, I presume this changes to red and it's dislike. We have a profile, we have some sort of messaging feature, and then we've got these filters here. I don't really know what they do, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this filter and kind of put a spin on it for my Tinder for skaters, where it's going to be filtered between skateboarders and rollerbladers. So they have this simple kind of nav tool at the bottom where I presume rather than swiping you can click these buttons. So that's it. So I'm going to use this. So as I created this before, I already have the elements done, so I'm just going to use what I have and obviously chop and change as I feel. So I created these cards previously, so we're going to just start putting this together. So let's just start adding these in here. So we like Leroy, so we're going to say yes to Leroy, so that's a like. So we're going to bring in this like animation, or not an animation, but like notification, and then we need to add in, again, not recreating the wheel for this one, just going to keep it nice and simple. This nav at the bottom, buttons. The filters again are, just to zoom in and show you guys. So obviously 4 wheels are skateboarder, and then 2 for rollerblader, because I think let's see, Solid Skate, I used to rollerblade, so I'm just trying to remember. Yeah, so like an aggressive skate here tend to have these 2 wheels, and then what are these kind of like these grind wheels? They're not really wheels, but you have this grind plate in here for grinding. They're kind of small wheels, but I'm just gonna ignore them for now, just for this design purpose. I'm just gonna say there's 2 wheels. Okay. So, or hold on, do we even skateboard? Do they have 4 wheels? I can't even. Yeah, 4 wheels, and then those rollerblades have 2 wheels. Okay, so if I wanted to find rollerbladers in my area, I would obviously click here and then it would filter over. So I'm looking for skateboarders, so that's why I have Danny and Leroy. So I like Leroy and I want to skate with Leroy and I'll hook up, but not in that way. I want to hook up the skate, and I'll basically swipe right, and this is the animation that I'm greeted with. And I need a nav, so I'll bring this in here, and let's take the harsh white out of it, reduce that, and okay. Alright, so just take this design and we will use this mock-up I got, bring that in, and let's have a look at how that looks. Okay, looks pretty good, so let's just put a color behind it here. Let's have a look at it there. And that's it. This is probably going to be my quickest tutorial because I already had those assets created from my previous live Instagram story where I designed this live. So my next video will obviously be a bit longer and it'll be a bit more in-depth, but I just wanted to share this with my YouTube subscribers and give them a kind of a higher quality run through of the actual process. And again, my icon, these icons were taken from Flat Icon, this resource, and some of these assets were taken from mousecrafted.com. And again, I'll share these links in the description as always. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, click subscribe and the notification bell.